Hey guys, it's Jason here. Today we're going to install a keyed ignition switch for your Humvee. Now, there's a lot of them on the market. This in particular is from thosemilitaryguys.com, and it seems to be of a really good build quality. It's got a green paint and it comes with 4 keys. So, and the connectors they look very nice. Some of the things you'll need to get this done is a unibit. Now you got to open the hole a little bit bigger. The one from those military guys, they actually include it for us, so that's nice. You also need a screwdriver, a flathead, and a 5/8 socket, wrench. I think that's an 1/2 inch, and an adjustable wrench. Alright, before we begin, I always have a rule of thumb where if I ever mess with any kind of electrical systems, even if I'm just unplugging and plugging in switches, I like to disconnect the battery first. So that's what we're going to do here. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the old switch off. There's a little flathead screw that secures the switch. Should be easy to take off right here. And that should pop right off. Just like that. Now, the next part, you're going to use your 5/8 socket. And it should loosen right up as well. Gasket. And you can actually push it right through the back. Pull it out. pretty easy, so it's not that bad, but you gotta know which way to go. So on the switch in the back of the switch, I don't know if you can see this or not, but the one that I pulled out, it says B on the side, and the B goes to the red wire on the new switch, and then the other one, this one, is the S, and the S goes on the purple, and then this should be the R, and it should connect to the black wire. So if you're not sure which one to connect, look at the instructions that comes with it, and before you pull all the wires out, just take notice of where they were connected to. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you like it, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.